back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a long time, but let's get back to it. Today we're going to chase a storm today. But we're actually going to close up today. I decided to chase a storm. This is a short, a 3-minute short, so it won't last long. And now music back there, I don't care about it. Oh, the trampoline park. Ooh. We're going to show when you what. No need. But yeah, here. It's got a little wet. And then I rolled down my window. Like this way I can get a clear view. There. The number. Look at it. You see how wet that car is? Oh, I feel bad for anybody without windshield. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, this is amazingly bad. It looks beautiful, but it's also really bad. Hello guys, you mind keeping a watch for lightning over there? I gotta check something. Woo! My bad. My window accidentally pulled down for I don't know how. Go. Why did it keep on going down? Okay, here we go. Just keep an eye on the look. I'll look behind us. Whoa. I just saw one. Oh, lightning over there. There's lightning over there. Go back. Everybody, I was just going to say, please support my content. I'm only a child. I'm trying to get my MBA. Please, beg. Please subscribe. Or like, I'm also having a competition with my cousin. She makes my hair and name shorts. You may know her, may not know her, I don't know. But everybody, welcome back. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to wrap this up soon. I would just like to say like and I'm just joking with you guys. I wasn't. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna have to wrap this up. Like and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Bye.